Bonjour les amis. Bonjour. Je m'appelle Madame Tweedy. Bienvenue. Welcome to French with Ananas. What a beautiful day today. Beautiful sunshine. Il fait beau soleil. We're going to have a great lesson. Today we're going to review all our S sound words. On va faire la révision de tous les mots avec le son A. I'm so excited for today's lesson. Before we begin, let's have Ananas join us. Can you say bonjour, Ananas? Nice and loud. Bonjour, Ananas. Oh, she's coming. Bonjour, Ananas. Ça va bien, Ananas? Oui, ça va bien. Good job. Well, let's get started. First, we need to have a pointer. On va chercher une couleur, a color. Can you repeat the colors with me? Rouge, orange, jaune, vert, bleu, violet, rose, blanc, noir. Qu'est-ce que tu penses, Ananas? Maybe we're going to go with rose today for Ananas' joue rose, her pink cheeks. Alors, rose aujourd'hui. So our series is called French with Ananas, and this is lesson 1.5, A sound, leçon 1.5, son A. Well, let's get started. So how we're going to do this lesson is I'm going to show you a little bit of a word, and you tell me if you can guess what it is. Oh, this is your clue. Do you know what this word is? Oh, wow. Now, we learned this in our very first lesson. Do you remember the name of this fruit? It begins with the B sound. B, B. And if you said banane, you are correct. Banane. Banane. Can you find the S sounds in this word? Un, deux. There are two S sounds in this word. Banane. Good job. On va continuer, les amis. Let's continue. Oh, two ears, deux oreilles. Could you guess what this word is? Ah, regarde. Chat. If you said chat, you are correct. What a beautiful cat. Chat is our word. Can you find the S sound? Perfect. That is the S sound in the word chat. Repeat after me. Chat. Bravo. On continue. Do you remember this word? Oh, now this word begins with the A sound. Do you know what it is? Avion. You are correct. Avion. Can you find the A sound? Can you point to it? Perfect. That's the A sound. Avion. Can you repeat that? Avion. Yay! You're doing a great job. Let's move on. Oh, do you remember this object that we take to the beach? Oh, wow. Ballon. Good for you if you remembered the word ballon. Ballon. Can you find the S sound? Oui, there it is. Ballon. Bravo, les amis. On continue. Oh, what was this word? Do you remember what this one was? Begins with the T sound. And if you said tasse, you are correct. Tasse. Can you find the A sound? Oui, bravo. Tasse. One more time. Tasse. Bravo. What was our next word? Oh, ananas. Oh, she's all excited. What's going on? Oui. It's her favorite word. You guessed it. If you said ananas, you are correct. Ananas. And there are three A sounds. Trois. Three A sounds in this word. Un, deux, trois. Good for you for finding them. Ananas. Can you say that with me? Ananas. Bravo. What is our next word? Oh, something that is noir et blanc. Do you remember this animal? If you said vache, you are correct. Vache. Can you find the S sound in this word? Oui, bravo. Let's say it together. Vache. Vache. Bravo. Let's continue on. Oh, qu'est-ce que c'est? Do you remember this word? If you said casket, you are correct. Actually, Madame is wearing one today in casket. Can you find the S sound in this word? Oui, bravo. Can you repeat after me? Casket. Casket. Bravo. You're doing a great job. Our next word. Oh, I see some wings. Des ailes. What could this be? Oh, do you remember the name of this insect? Abeille. Abeille. And the A sound, if you guess the first letter, you're correct. That is the A sound. Abeille. Can you repeat after me? Abeille. Bravo. Oh, this is something that I grew in my garden, dans le jardin. Did you guess carotte? Then you are correct. Carotte. Carotte. Can you find the A sound in this word? Bravo. Carotte. Carotte. Wow, let's move on. Oh. Do you remember that word? Canna. Canna. Do you know where the S sound is in this word? Oui, bravo. Let's say it together. Canard. Canard. Good job. On continue. Oh, here's your clue. Do you know what this word is? If you said arbre, you are correct. Arbre. Do you know where the S sound is? Bravo, at the beginning. Arbre. Arbre. C'est bien. On continue. Oh, des oreilles, ears, des oreilles, des yeux, un nez, une bouche. What could this be? Do you remember the French word? Lapin. Lapin. Do you know where the A sound is? Bravo. Lapin. Lapin. Bravo. Oh. Wow. Do you remember the name of this little boat? It is called un kayak. Kayak. And I see two S sounds in this word. Can you find them? Un, deux. Bravo. Can you say kayak? Kayak. Bravo, les amis. You are doing a super job. Oh, this is something delicious. Qu'est-ce que c'est, Ananas? Do you know? I think Ananas knows. Did you remember the word fromage? Fromage. Can you find the S sound in this word? Oui, bravo. Fromage. Fromage. Très bien. You're doing great. Oh, qu'est-ce que c'est? Oh, do you remember the name of this hat? Called un chapeau. Chapeau. Can you find the S sound? Oui, there's the S sound. Chapeau. Chapeau. Good job. Let's move on. Oh, do you know what this is? This is something that we take to the beach. Did you remember the word parasol? Parasol. I see two S sounds in this word. Un, deux. Can you say it again with me? Parasol. Parasol. Bravo. Good job. Oh, je vois deux oreilles, deux yeux, un nez, une bouche. What could this animal be? Do you remember the name? Ah, llama. Llama. And I see two S sounds. Can you find them? Un, deux. Bravo. Lama. Lama. Bravo. Good job. Oh, oh, this is a beautiful place to go in the summer. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Did you remember the word for beach? Plage. Plage. Can you find the S sound? Oui, you are correct. Plage. Plage. Wow, you're doing a good job. And our last word in our lesson. Oh, je vois des gros yeux. Big eyes. Des yeux. Oh, beaucoup de pattes. What could this be? Do you remember the word? Araignée. Can you say that? Araignée. Can you find the A sound in this word? You are correct. It's at the beginning. Araignée. Araignée. Yay! You are doing a super job. You're remembering all our A sound words. And it's a question, une question. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Dans mon sac? Ananas, est-ce que j'ai mon sac? Oh, I have it with me. Mon sac. Mon sac. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Do you want to look inside? Regarde, dans le sac, Ananas. Dans le sac. Qu'est-ce qui... Oh, dans le sac. Oh, this is a word that you know. Do you remember this word? Casket. Une casquette bleue. My friends, I had a really fun time with you today. I hope that you join us in our next lesson and you have a super day. Au revoir les amis. Au revoir.